Hello, brothers and sisters. Yeti here, with Drone Fight Club. Today I'd like to present two new birds from the manufacturer Bat Drones. 12-inch and 15-inch models. What guys have implemented in the 12-inch drone. First of all, it's a modular system. A fully modular design tailored to your tasks. You can change the number of drop mechanisms. You can change the motors. You can change the camera. And all of this is done very quickly. So if, for example, you want to use on your direction not crossfire but ELRS and so on, no problem. You can do all of this very fast. Then, as always, folding landing legs and folding props. In my opinion, today, this is a must-have for certain bomber tasks. 3 drop mechanisms are implemented. You can drop individually, or you can do carpet bombing. An O4 air unit with forced cooling right away, so you don't have to struggle on positions like we usually do. Both birds have already been test flown, first at the training range as we usually do, and then in combat conditions. The declared operational radius of both birds is 10 kilometers. That means they carry their payload for 10 kilometers, perform the drop, and return. The 12-inch version has a payload capacity of 2 kilograms. The 15-inch version has a payload capacity of 4 kilograms. This monster already has 5 drop mechanisms implemented, as you can see. They performed extremely well in combat. Carpet bombing is impressive. We'll add a video. I think you'll like it. Then, as you can see, we have diversity across multiple frequencies. We can also do this according to your needs. Amplifiers are already installed right away. We usually do this anyway, modifying all drones for our needs with amplification. Here it's already implemented. The same folding landing legs, the same folding props. This beast fits into a backpack designed for 10-inch kamikaze drones. Just imagine, I went out to positions with 5 of them in my backpack, and each one carries 4 kilograms. Off the record, I can say, carries even more. Off the record, I can say, flies even further. So, as of today, if you need, for example, to build a reconnaissance drone based on these platforms, no problem. If you need to install a thermal imaging camera on it, no problem at all. We'll do it according to your order. If you need zoom, same thing. If you need to build, for example, a relay platform on its base, these are 2 base models. And we can make anything tailored to your needs. Thank you for your attention.